Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Finance Module. In the previous video, we understood budget management. Now in this video, we will learn another important financial process, bank loan management in Lighthouse ERP. Let's understand this in a simple and practical way. What is bank loan management? Organizations often take loans from banks for business expansion, purchasing assets, managing working capital. But once a loan is taken, it becomes very important to track loan amount, interest, installments, due dates. Managing all this properly in the system is called bank loan management. Why bank loan management is important? Without proper tracking, interest may not be calculated correctly, installments can be missed, extra charges or penalties may occur. Bank loan management helps in tracking loan details, managing interest and installments, avoiding penalties, maintaining financial discipline. How bank loan management works in ERP. Now let's understand the basic flow. 1. Bank loan master, loan creation. First, we create the loan in the system. Here, we define bank account, loan amount, interest rate, loan date, installment details. The system maintains complete loan information, interest payable, installment schedule. 2. Loan allocation and tracking. Once the loan is created, it can be allocated and tracked properly. The system helps in tracking loan status, open or closed, managing loan-wise records, monitoring usage of loan amount. 3. Interest calculation and posting. Now let's understand an important part. Interest can be calculated periodically and recorded in the system. The system allows interest calculation for a selected period, manual or partial interest entry, journal entry posting for interest. This ensures accurate financial reporting. 4. Installment management. Loans are usually repaid in installments. The system helps in tracking installment due dates, recording payments, monitoring pending installments. This helps avoid delays and extra charges. Process summary. To summarize this video, bank loan management in Lighthouse ERP helps organizations maintain complete loan records, track interest and installments, monitor loan status, record financial entries accurately, avoid penalties and delays. This was a basic understanding of bank loan management in Lighthouse ERP. In upcoming videos, we will continue exploring more financial processes and their practical implementation. See you in the next video, learners.